Hello, welcome to Practical C++ Programming. My name is Zach, and in this tutorial we are going to be taking a look at our first practical program that we're going to make together, and it's just going to be a simple calculator app. And to do it, the main focus of this is I want you to kind of understand how we're going to structure this program and use the concepts that we've already gone over to make it work like we want it to. That being said, let's go ahead and begin. And the way I want to structure this is basically we're going to make a calculator that lets the user decide at the very beginning if he wants to do addition, subtraction, multiplication, or division. And to do that, we're going to use a switch statement. Okay, so let's go ahead and structure it as so. We're going to write switch, and then there we go. Sorry about that, guys. The rest of my brackets got deleted. So there we go. Let's write it just like that. And make sure you get your return statement, okay? And then in this switch statement is going to be the variable that we're checking. And the way I want to do it is I basically want to have the program open up and have numbers 1 through 4. It'll say 1, addition, 2, subtraction, 3, multiplication, and 4, division. And so to do that, we're going to hold a variable. So we're going to say int, and we'll call it choice, okay? And we're just going to leave it like that. And we're going to say cout, enter a choice. Actually, the way we're going to do this, we want to let them know beforehand what their options are. So we'll say 1, addition, okay, in line 2, subtraction in line 3, multiplication in line, and 4, division in line. So this is what they're going to see. They're going to see basically this on screen, and they're going to have to make a choice on what they want to use. And then what we'll do is we'll say at the very end, let's give a little bit more space, and we'll say enter a choice. And then we're going to hold that with a two, case 3, case 4. And let's go ahead and add a default as so. Okay? And obviously the default, we can go ahead and add something like exiting u entered something invalid, and then it's just going to go straight to this code, return 0, and the program will end. So that's how we're going to handle that. Now in these, let's go ahead and, just so we don't forget, we're going to add brackets to all of these as so. basically everything is going to be the same at this point. So we'll say, right here, we'll say enter number 1. So you'll just have to change this addition to a multiply sign. And then case 4 was division. And we'll change that to a division sign. So there you go. So now our program should run just like we want. We got our switch statements and everything how it needs to be. Go ahead and save it. We'll say build and run, and let's see what happens. So there we go. As you can see on screen, we have our choices: addition, subtraction, multiplication, and division. Let's go ahead and equals, here you could say result equals number 1 plus number 2, and then say result equals